Integrating Lean and Six Sigma. The success mantra of the organizations. Six Sigma focuses on reducing process variation and enhancing process control, whereas Lean identifies non-value-added processes and procedures and drives them out. It promotes work standardization and continuous flow. With the term Lean Six Sigma being used more and more often, the distinction between Six Sigma and Lean has blurred. Actually, organizational process improvement requires aspects of both Lean and Six Sigma approaches to attain positive results. Lean Six Sigma is a fact-based, data-driven philosophy of improvement that values defect prevention over defect detection. It drives customer satisfaction and bottom-line results by reducing variation, waste, and cycle time, while promoting the use of work standardization and flow, while creating a competitive advantage. It applies to any place where variation and waste exist, and every employee should be involved. Lean and Six Sigma both provide customers with the best possible quality, cost, and delivery. There is a great deal of overlap between the two disciplines of Lean and Six Sigma. However, they both approach their common purpose of improving quality and productivity. And they have slightly different angles of approach towards reducing variation and waste. Lean achieves its goals by using less technical tools such as Kaizen, workplace organization, and visual controls, whereas Six Sigma tends to use statistical data analysis, design of experiments, and hypothesis testing. Often, successful implementations of Lean Six Sigma begin with the Lean approach. It requires making the workplace more efficient and more effective by reducing waste and using value stream mapping to improve understanding and throughput. If process problems remain, more technical Six Sigma statistical tools may then be applied. In summary, integrating Lean and Six Sigma explores the synergistic relationship between Lean and Six Sigma methodologies in the context of process improvement and quality management. This integration emphasizes how organizations can combine the principles of Lean, which focuses on eliminating waste and optimizing processes, with Six Sigma, which emphasizes data-driven problem-solving and reducing defects, to create a powerful approach known as Lean Six Sigma. The integration of these two methodologies results in a comprehensive strategy for A. Achieving operational excellence, B. Reducing costs, C. Improving quality, and D. Enhancing customer satisfaction beside many other objective goals. This integrated approach highlights the benefits and key considerations of integrating Lean and Six Sigma to drive continuous improvement within organizations.
End of the session. Feel free to share it with your colleagues, friends and online mates. Before you go, don't forget to hit the bell icon. If you haven't subscribed yet, now's the time, don't miss out on the latest insights. I look forward to seeing you in the next video.